Hello everyone and welcome to another workflows video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to call a helper flow from another flow. But in this example, the helper flow will return the value back to the main flow. Now I have an example that I recorded before where we call a helper flow and then it sends messages to Slack. So it doesn't really return the value back to the main flow. So in this example, again, we're going to call another flow, which will return the value back to the calling flow, right? So let's see how to do that. So I've got the two flows here. So let's first open the main flow. And so this is how it looks. I've got two numbers here. I'm using the assign card. And I've defined these values. So the assign card doesn't really have any inputs and outputs. It is what you define. So I've got input 1 and input 2, and then those are the output as well. And then I call another flow helper with these inputs. And then back, once the flow is done, the helper flow is done. Then I am just printing the value. I'm basically just adding two numbers, right? Now let's open the helper flow and see how it looks. All right, so the helper flow looks like this. We got the same two inputs here, right? That's the two numbers. Then I'm using the number, the add card, and then I'm just adding the two numbers. And the total I am sending back. So this is the part where, again, I'm using the return card, and I'm sending back values from this flow back to the main flow. So one thing you have to be really careful is the naming here. So let me go back here. So this name here, output, right? Output here has to match this name here. So when I built this for the first time, it wasn't the same name, and then of course it didn't work, and it took me some time to figure this out. Now it is actually in the docs, but I'm hoping this video will help you. All right, so let's run this. So we're back here now. I don't have any inputs here, so I'm just going to sort of hard code these values. But let's see. Let's run this. And so we get, this is the assign, and then we're calling the flow here, and then we're getting the result, right? We can quickly change this to 200, save, and let's run this again. And here we go. So very good. That's all I wanted to show you. Pretty short, but I think just a very could be a very useful example. So again, we have the main flow calling another flow, which returns a value back to the main flow. So as always, thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you next time.